Kenya Mheshimiwa Justin MUTURI homochire serikali ya Kenya kwanza kubwatikana no muchando yoga ntote konekiwa asa sekta yobo cheno ime yensi ya Kenya.
Okwa na korwa somo bagani oyo moimo chio Nairobi MUTURI homochire Omorai wense asa tebire NIGO ali nekerenga yogochia kuira enyagitari ya Nairobi egenta tebire kirema minchaneli chiko ekogera enyagitari yoteli Eserekari na NIGO yabirege kurwa obokoreri obuya wetania emiaka 50 nebere yaitere.
This area of the health sector, my attention has for some time now been drawn to some evil machinations by the RUTO regime towards some schemes to destabilize and forcibly take over the ownership and management of the Nairobi hospital, which, as you all know, is a private hospital and indeed not for profit. And I wish to start by observing that the Nairobi hospital has been in existence for the last 70 years. But over the past 1 year, President William RUTO, through his Chief of Staff and Head of Public Service, Felix Kosgei, schemed and continues to scheme to sustain intimidation, blackmail, and threats to the board of the management, either directly or through the chairman, Dr. Bekle Mogere Onyambu. Board members, directors, and managers already are receiving summonses from the DCI, FRC, and ARA. So where else are they going to complain? They really have nowhere to go and complain because they are being told we want these vacancies created for these people, particular people. It's obvious. You cannot go to complain. The sheep cannot go to make its case before the hyena. They have no option but to go public about the threats that they are going through, the intimidation. Felix Kosgei has the audacity to say that the patron of the hospital is the president. And until he was told, yes, it's the president of the Republic of Kenya, not William RUTO. It is not William RUTO who is the patron. It is the president, whoever it is. But does not give him any right whatsoever. It does not convert Nairobi Hospital into a state agent, a government-owned enterprise, or such like thing. So on what basis are they coercing and intimidating the directors? This is the issue that the directors feel should be made public so that Kenyans know. When they start saying, for instance, it's a well-known fact, all the oncology equipment at the Kenyatta National Hospital are now broken down. The patients from Kenyatta National Hospital, the oncology patients, people who have problems, cancer problems, they have now to